Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here again with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is bukta, legvaros bukta, which is Hungarian sweet buns filled with jam. And for today's bukta, for today's sweet buns, I fill it with apricot jam. It is very simple to make, it is very fluffy and very nice. And yeah, check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Heat quarter cup of evaporated milk in microwave for 20 seconds, and then we're gonna put it into our bread machine bowl, followed with half cup of light or skim low fat sour cream. Then add in quarter cup of golden shortening and third cup of sugar and a fine pinch of sea salt. Then add in 2.5 cup of strong baker's flour, the enriched flour, and 4 teaspoons of instant yeast. And then we're gonna let the bread machine do its magic. Choose the dough cycle, and that takes about an hour. Once dough rising, we're gonna dump it on our working surface. It's nice and fluffy. And then we're gonna roll it flat. Once roll flat, we're just gonna slice it into portions. And then we're gonna place jam in the center. And then just press the sides to seal and place it on your baking tray. I'm gonna brush it with 1 beaten egg, and we're gonna rest it for 10 to 15 minutes before we bake it. Once rested, we're gonna bake it at preheated 350 Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. You can top your buns with icing sugar, which the Hungarians love to top theirs with icing sugar, and then serve it.